Obaseki and PDP no dey interested in developing Edo. Dem no send our people, na just transaction dem sabi. Now so Governor Monday OKPEBHOLO scatter ground for Ekpoma on Thursday as APC do their grand finale rally before the big senatorial by-election wey go shele this Saturday. Everywhere choke with supporters, party leaders and cultural vibes as APC declare say dem ready to carry development enter Esan land. The rally shows serious political muscle as big party leaders full ground. Former Edo State Governor and current Senator for Edo North Comrade Adams Oshomole, Secretary to the State Government Umar Musa Ihilo, Chief of Staff Ganiyu Audu, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku with other Assembly members, plus Edo Central Senatorial Leader General Sesi Esekagbe retired and many other dignitaries. Governor OKPEBHOLO constant talk say sake of the work wey government dey do now, say people dey wonder where dem keep all the money before. E come here and say the past government no get interest for development and no care about the people.
It is no longer news that Joe Ikpeya is our candidate. Joe, on Saturday, we will all come out vote for Joe. I want to see a result that will surprise our opponent. Then we say again that we have stolen their mandate. I want them to cry once more. Maybe this one that will pass Supreme Court. We are not here again to start campaigning. We are here for the one that you have done before. We are here to say thank you for Saturday that is yet to come. On Saturday, we will vote this man. This Joe Ikpeya is the best man for the job. He was commissioner in Edo State, oil and gas. He was chairman, Subeb. He was also chairman, local government council. So he's a grassrooter. He understands politics. He understands what the people need. That takes my mind back that we once had a senator of the PDP in this state, in this senatorial district. For eight years, we were begging him on this particular road. Am I lying? No! Now, just 9 months, I was there as APC, a senator from APC representing Edo Central, see the wonders that is taking place.
I go for where they walk.
It's not just a road. It's a road that is being constructed that will last for 70 and above years. A dual carriage road with street lights at the middle. You see what we are doing in Edo State? People are now asking, where was this money? During Obaseki's 8 years, where was this money? Now let me tell you something. Obaseki and the PDP were never interested in our people. They were purely transactional people. You know, there needs to be were not there in our place. That when a masquerade is dancing very well, check who tied that masquerade. You know about that adage. Now, there is somebody behind me. There is somebody that is releasing those funds to me. Who is that man? Who is that man? How are we going to pay in 2027? 2.5 what? Thank you very much. Let me also tell you once more that this man, you know, there was a time, up till now they are still saying it, that I don't talk. Are you not surprised I'm talking? I watched a video where they were campaigning in I don't know whether it's a bedroom or somebody's parlor. They said this man does not talk. Do you know what happened to me? I said, thank God. Next Sunday, after the election, I will go to the church so that I can do Thanksgiving, that I have somebody who does not talk like me.
Now, so,
that will work for the people. If you don't use the energy to talk, what will you do with it? Is it no better we use our energy to work?
Now that's the way they walk.
Is it no better that you see the evidence of where you voted?
Edo North Senator Comrade Adams Ushomole, member House of Reps where they represent Asan Central, Asan West and Igwebe Federal Constituency, Honorable Marcus Unobu, former Deputy Governor and the Director General of the National Institute for Sports, Comrade Philip Shaibu, and other speakers come hear the progress Governor OKPEBHOLO don't make in just 9 months and thank the Asan people for the love and support with them show. They come here and the people say may them come out plenty on Saturday vote APC as them promise say if the party win, better representation and quick development go enter the district. They constantly call for unity, peace and make everybody shine eye well for election day.
and let's bring all of us, including myself, and I believe yourself too. It is happening. It is no longer about A mark. It's about I mark. When you see, now you go believe. Not when they talk. Now don't we watch out? But today we must to talk small so that we don't forget. This election is about, it has two main important reasons why SR people must vote APC on Saturday. The first is that as a by-election, the great people of SR land has opportunity to reaffirm confidence in the governance of Edo State through your own son, the one and only, a man of very few words, minimum words, maximum wisdom, in the person of OKPEBHOLO. You need to pass that vote of confidence on Saturday. If there is anybody left anywhere, those are the proverbial flags that will follow the coffin into the grave. I pray that no innocent person will behave like such a flag. In fact, if the other side is listening to me, I would have advised my friend Joe Ogbonge, it is never too late. Let it not be said, and I know. There is honor at the last minute in applying your brakes. But if you see some going to the lagoon, too bad. We're not going to follow. We're going to say, we want you 1 minute to time. It's never too late. So do we agree that the people of SR land will on Saturday reaffirm confidence in the governance of Edo State under the able leadership of your son, Governor OKPEBHOLO? Because of what the governor is doing, if this election was to take place in Edo North, it will be 99.99%. Because of what this governor is doing. If the people of Benin land were to vote on Saturday, they will vote 99.99999%. Because every evil that his predecessor Obaseki did in 9 months, Governor Monday has corrected them. He has come not to lament what went wrong, but to fix it. The second, I am very happy to be here because many of you may not know the candidate, Joe Igbeya. Joe Igbeya, from 2009, when I was contesting for governorship, this young man was arrested and tortured. His policemen were detained, but they could not torture his spirit to submission. So you have here a long-distance runner. I personally owe you a debt of gratitude for believing in a small man like me and paying the price for your conviction. You are the type of people I always say, he who is not ready to die for what he believes in has no reason to live because he will end up dying for nothing. This man, when he believes in something, he stands for it. And the Lee family is reputed for doing that. In a moment of doubt, the Lee family stood by us. They stood by Monday. They gave him courage. They gave him confidence. They offered support. It is time to pay back. I believe it is important to show that loyalty pays, not only betrayers. And that is why this election is important for all of us. But when I see the energy of the young people, the energy of our Brusali University students, great AAU students, great AAU students, the Everrocket don't get digital AAU students, the ever-grateful, resourceful, creative AAU students.
Sweet for that, you know. I don't think forget to.
Thank you. You have shown that as upcoming leaders, you will leave your campus to come and identify with a man who brought a renewed hope into the premises at the compound and institution of Brusali University. Just last week, those of your colleagues who under Obaseki were made to do law for 12 years. 12 years. He took the intervention of Monday to rescue those students. And they are now doctors. May this light that God has used Monday to release in Edo State, it will burn for the next 8 years. Share now. And people get after. And I think as young people, I found from my experience, you may forget what happened to you at old age, when you may become senile. But in senility, you don't forget what happened to you when you were younger. Because that one is stored in your hard disk. No new application can wipe it off. Is somebody hearing something? And the young people understanding something? So you are the future. And like we said during the campaign, when you look at how Monday invested in the education of his own children, you will understand the passion he has for Abrusali University and for education all over the 18 local governments of Edo State. So you have many reasons to reaffirm and affirm and reconfirm Governor Monday for what he's doing right in this state. And for Lee, when you come to Abuja, your ear will be shining more than this. So, and working together with other members of the House of Representatives, like Ogbonge, you will not be lonely. And with Marcus, you will be very good hand. I am so happy today. I told the governor that Marcus is my son. Because, like Lee, Marcus as a student stood by me about 16 years ago. I am happy to see him on the floor of the National Assembly. And his mother is a dogged fighter. I called her and she told me she was supporting somebody for chairmanship of Ekpoma local government. I hope it's Ekpoma. Esa West. I don't know the difference. Esa Kwabahi. And I said, we also need women of conviction to be council chairman. And Marcus' mother was chairman, council chairman when I was governor. And she did very well. Just like the female Super Falcons. Teaching the men how to play football. Can I see the girls smiling? And you know, let me reveal something to the women. This is only for the women and in secret. What the Nigerian man cannot do, sometimes the Nigerian girls can do it very well. So, and when they are going to vote on Saturday with the celebration of the Super Falcons, they will deliver super votes. They will mobilize their mother. They will mobilize their friends. They will mobilize their daddies to go and vote. We don't just want to win this election. We want it to be landslide victory. Are you ready for that? Yeah. The other one is that I'm very happy for General Cecil. I'm happy for him because Cecil is a fine officer, a first-class major general. His problem was that he was too intelligent for his colleagues, and they had to try to cheat him out of uniform. He knows. I did my best to see how we can prevail on those superior powers at that time, that a good brain cannot be a threat. But they were not persuaded. He was retired. As you can see, he is not tired. I asked him, I said, General Cecil, there is life outside uniform. In Edo Central, we need a man of quality, of capacity and reputation. One that helped not just people of Esa, but people of Edo to join NDA and to become senior officers. And he humbled himself and came back home to start politics. And of course, he went through all the rough waters of politics. Today, you deserve to celebrate because we don't grill. The truth of the matter is, with you as the leader, Governor Monday became a senator. With you as the leader, he became a governor. What more can you ask for? Long life. Obulu, Obo here, Obo there. You know, I don't like to make long speeches. So, short speech. And when I say short fan, don't look at the governor. Look at me. If you look at the governor, you're going to be in trouble. But because when I was governor, if you say short fan, you're all finished. But now you can say so, there's nothing I can do. Before I make law, you can go to court. So I think, my people, I am grateful. I understand many of you have been here since 6 o'clock. And the fact that you are still here shows your level of determination. If you invest half of that on Saturday, mobilize your papa, mobilize your mama, mobilize your uncle, mobilize your auntie, mobilize your niece, mobilize everybody around your community. After the voting, we can drink by one and do dege and kumkel. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Seen here is a testament of the good work of Senator Monday OKPEBHOLO. The question about winning this election is not there anymore. What we are going to do on Saturday is to go and mark that register to clearly state as a referendum that Excellent Edo State is now completely APC. For want of time, I will just leave it here and quickly acknowledge my brother, Honorable Odi Ogbonge, the member representing Esan Southeast and Esan Northeast constituency. Greatest Nigeria student of the greatest Nigeria student.
What you see here today is not a mirage. It is a good work that you are doing. And the people of Esaland unanimously they have resolved to pay you back in their own coin in 48 hours in the pool. Your Excellency, sir, I want to assure you that the people of Esaland are with you 100%. The people of Esaland have resolved 100% to be with you. Myself and my brother in the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Marcus Honorable, we have collectively resolved that Senator Joseph Igbeya will be the senator representing Edo Central Senatorial District, working for us together at the National Assembly. Your Excellency, sir, and every member of the High Table, I want to tell you that this election coming up in 48 hours is a one-way election. Yes, oh yeah!
Your Excellency, I've told them, I've told other parties that in a by-election, it's not possible for opposition to win. I've told them. They tried it during Adam Ali Oshomole. They failed. This is the governor's senatorial district. And the election is happening here. The election we are trying to do on Saturday is the senator that will be representing Edo Central. And the governor is from the senatorial district. It is not possible. The Agbakorestu I know from within 8 months from Senate to Governor. All I will say is that Joseph Igbeya prepare for swearing.
I join Honorable Blessing to say, go and prepare for inauguration, go and prepare for swearing. For the youth, it is not over until it is not over until, so all of us from today, we must go back to our unit to go and deliver Honorable Joe Igbeya. Follow the election, follow the vote, follow the ballot paper, follow the card, follow the result. You know, that is what we do. You must follow up until it is announced. Remain in your polling unit until it is announced. Remain in your collation center until it is announced. Remain where it will be announced and escort Honorable Igbeya with this result in his hand back home. Is that not what we do? So, by the grace of God, with what Senator Monday OKPEBHOLO is doing, just imagine, within 100 days, Edo line is back to life. Within 100 days, just 100 days, Edo line is back to life. So, by the grace of God, why we vote leadership is to provide us with all the amenities that we need, and Senator Mongrel is doing it. We must pay him back on Saturday. We must pay him back with EPR being voted as what? Senator representing Edo Central.
Saturday is the by-election of Edo Central Senatorial District. As we have come out today, I want to appeal to you. Come out like this on Saturday to cast your vote for Honorable Joseph Ikpia, the senator that is going to represent Edo Central in the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Once that is done, you have completed your assignment, and then we can now jubilate. Please come out on Saturday to vote for Honorable Joseph Ikpia. That is the message I have for all of us here today. Call one, call all.
Our governor, distinguished Senator OKPEBHOLO, has demonstrated enough evidence of practical governance that everybody can see, even the blind can see, and the deaf can hear about what Akpakomiza is doing in the entire Edo State. There is a lot of firsts, a lot of history making that the governor has done. That is what is supposed to speak for him, not speeches and rhetorics. This is a man who, after almost 30 years, took the initiative of constructing the first ever flyover in the entire Edo State.
Back up on
the governor! This is a man who took the bold initiative of constructing so many infrastructures and road work, not just in Edo South, but also in Edo Central, as well as Edo North. For the first time, he's going to be dualizing the road that leads from Ekoma to Irua to Uromi, all the way to Ubiaja, connecting the entire Edo Central. That is a wonderful feat for a governor. This is a man who met that the great Ambrose Ali University, established by the great son of Esalan, Ambrose Ali, was almost on the verge of dying and being buried by the last administration. He meant that the last administration was giving a total subvention of 41 million naira to the entire Ambrose Ali University. Meanwhile, the consultant that was appointed to manage the university, one consultant, was going home with 57 million naira, while the entire university community was getting 41. When Akpakomiza came, he said, this is not tenable. Instead, he jacked up the 41 million to 500 million. A round of applause for that. The former government said we cannot increase Ambrose Ali's subvention because if we do, the government may crash after a few months. Akpakomiza increased it from 41 million to 500 million, and Edo State government has not crashed. This is the 9th month now, and things are getting stronger. Work is going on, flyovers have been constructed. He has given a billion naira bursary to all Edo State students. Students can access a billion naira bursary anywhere they may be, as long as they are studying and they are from Edo State.
We know the 1 billion he also approved for market women, small traders, and artisans. That distribution is currently ongoing, and several people are accessing it. These and many more are what people are seeing and are decamping to join our governor in this great party, the APC. And that is why this election is a one-way. Like the governor said, the amount of people who have joined in the last 2 weeks is even more than those who were originally there in the APC. That is to show that now that he has pointed a direction for the Senate, the seat was his seat, so he should be the person to determine who is more qualified and more suitable to fill the seat that he left. And he has shown us a way, Joe Ikwia, and that is where everybody is going.
The rally for Ekpoma make APC confidence strong well, and many years and people talk say na the biggest political rally wey dem don see for years, and this na sign say APC don get strong momentum before Saturday vote. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ekata Ojesili, TMC News.